Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll be learning how to create a binary tree in Python. Before that, I'll quickly introduce you to a few terminologies that we use in trees, starting with an example here. So all the circular ones are nodes, and all the green lines that connect between any two nodes are called edges. And for every node, there can be parent and child nodes. For example, for node 2 here, 1 is a parent node and 4 and 5 are child nodes. Now, the start of the tree is root node, which doesn't have any parents to it. And all these 4 nodes, which doesn't have any child nodes, are called as leaf nodes. And any other nodes other than the leaf nodes are called internal nodes. That is, internal nodes have at least one child node. Now we also do have levels in a tree starting from top to bottom. This is level 0, this is level 1, and this is level 2. Now quickly look at what a binary tree is. A binary tree is a tree where each node in a tree has at most 2 children. So the possible children nodes in a tree, in a binary tree, are 0, 1 or 2. These are some special types of binary trees here. This is a full binary tree where all internal nodes must have 2 children. So except the leaf nodes, all other nodes need to have two child nodes. And this is an example of complete binary tree. All the nodes are completely filled except possibly the last level. So this last level can be either complete or incomplete. But one point to remember in a complete binary tree is that the nodes are always filled from left to right. So the tree is as much to the left as possible. And this is an example of a perfect binary tree where all the internal nodes have exactly 2 child nodes and all the leaves are on the same level. And this is another type, which is degenerate binary tree, where every internal node has exactly one child. And some special types of degenerate binary trees are right skewed and left skewed. If every internal node has exactly only right child, then that is called as right skewed. And if every internal node has exactly the left child, it is called left skewed tree. Now let's start with the coding part. So in order to create a tree, we need to create nodes. And every node has exactly 3 paths: data, left pointer and right pointer. We create such multiple nodes and connect them together in order to form a tree. So I'll show you with the help of a Python code. So we'll create a class node and we'll create an init method by passing the value of the node which we want to create. So as I mentioned, I'm going to create 3 paths: data, left pointer and right pointer. So I'm assigning the value of the node to the data field, and the left pointer and right pointer for now are pointing to nothing. So I'm just assigning them to none. Now let's just take an example of a binary tree that we want to create. So I just want to create this tree here. So I'll start with creating an main method. If name is main, So what I want to do is I want to create a root node. I'll create a node 1 and assign it to root. So with this, what I did was I created a node pointing to left and right pointing to none, and I've assigned this to root. Now in order to assign 2 and 3, what we need to do is we need to first create node 2 and node 3, just like how we created node 1. And now what we do is we assign root dot left to node 2 and root dot right to node 3. With this, what we did here was we created two nodes, node 2 and node 3, and we assigned this root dot left to node 2 and root dot right to node 3. Similarly, I'll just assign the rest of the nodes. Root dot left is node 4, root dot left dot right is node 5, and root dot right is node 6. So with this, we created node 4, 5 and 6, and we assigned them to these pointers respectively. And yes, we are done. We created this tree which is similar to what we wanted to create. And yeah, thank you for watching, and in the next video we'll be looking at how do we traverse through the tree in order to print the values of a tree. Once again, thank you for watching.